like it's not hot enough. That's enough, friend. And it has pockets, you guys. Okay, the light is so bright, but I just got regular French tips. Yes. Okay, I'm so annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm headed to Ashley's house. We're gonna go to her pool. We're just gonna hang out, barbecue, you know, just girl time. So that's what I'm doing. And this is actually where I left off in last week's vlog. So I have on a bathing suit under this top because I don't think I'm gonna get in the pool because it's actually kind of cool today. Like I feel like it's not hot enough to get in the pool. And then it is a little cloudy too, so but I do have a cute little bathing suit top on just in case I want to take this shirt off. And then I'm wearing some really cute linen pants, which I will show y'all once I get there. I didn't even think to do like an OOTD outfit of the day before I left out the house, but just a little simple, you know, cute little spring outfit that I feel like will look cute by the pool. But that's what we're up to today. I'm almost there. I'm actually gonna stop by the store near her house so I can pick up a few drinks, because I was gonna pick some up before I left, but I figured I'd just go ahead and, you know, pick them up by her house instead. But yes, girl, that is what we're up to. Hope y'all are doing well. So I will see you once we get to our destination. And what you listening to? You can hear old music. Cheers. Cheers. That's enough, friend. Cheers. I love you. Let me mix it. Okay, this day I decided to do Pilates. Y'all, I have never done Pilates a day in my life. Like, this is the first time ever, and I actually want to get a membership from the experience I had. So I came over to Club Pilates that's located in Avalon and Alpharetta, but they have Club Pilates literally everywhere in Georgia. But I came here with Shanine and Tasha, and this was just kind of like an introductory class. Like, it was free, so I figured, why not? Let me try it out before I actually get a membership. And I liked it. Hey guys, I did not vlog as much as I wanted to because as y'all saw, I went to Pilates, and in there, when you go in there, you have to put all your stuff like in a bin, and the only thing I took in there was my phone. And I really was trying to pay like just focus while I was in there because she was actually teaching us how to do, you know, everything. So I really couldn't vlog much or couldn't get a lot of footage, but I will say I want to do it again. Like, I think I kind of want to get like a membership and do it. But I know if I do that, I'm going to have to really be dedicated to it because I can't just slip up and not go because I'm actually going to be paying for it, you know? But it was fun. I really enjoyed it. Y'all, I just got this package. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, but I was trying to straighten up this room because I had to get all the trash together so Robert can take it out in the front because the trash people are coming today. So I just broke down some boxes. But y'all, I just got, oh wait, let me just show you what's in my lap right now because I just opened up the package. I got some stuff from Modern Episode, and I did not know anything about this brand until I saw Janae here on YouTube. I'll leave her channel in the description or have it like pop up on the screen. I remember her sharing a jumpsuit. It was like a sweatsuit from Modern Episode. This was a few months ago. And I got it for myself. It's the pink one. You guys have seen me wear it. It's like the hot pink. And then I also have a brown one as well. But they recently came out with a couple of new pieces that I just wanted to share with you guys. So I am hooked on this brand because of Janae. But this cute pajama set, it's like a peach. Well, they describe it as peach, but it's pink to me. So Super, super cute. And it has pockets, you guys. It has pockets. So it came with the shorts. I got a size small in this. And then this is the top that it came with. So this is actually something I would wear outside. Like I would actually wear this to the store or just going out, you know, cute little girls day, you know, having drinks, because I saw how they styled it on, I know it's kind of bright in here. Anyway, I saw how they styled it on their page and it makes the cutest, like cute little brunch outfit. So I just got that. And then they have these new bags. Okay, this is something so different for me, but it was cute and I got it. I really wanted another color in this, but they sold out, but I got this color. So it's a cute little spring bag and you just cross it over like this. And I don't know, I thought about wearing just all white with this. This will be like the splash of color, but it's, you know, it was cute. It's just something so different and cute and fun. And yeah, so kind of give you guys a close-up of the material. Is really nice. I like it. But yeah, I wanted the black and white one. They had a pink and green, but I don't really like that combo. They also had a blue and green one too, which I didn't really like that one, but I thought this will be really cute and fun to have, you know, cute, like, I don't know, something cute. But that's what I just opened up. And then y'all, let me show you this box. I have a couple minutes left on this card. I need to clear it out. This is so cute. Can't wait to wear it. But let me show you this box, y'all. I just got it. I already took it out, the actual box, but this is a wax kit, y'all. A wax kit, like a legit wax kit. I don't know how to wax, but the fact that I actually have a kit now, like if I ever want to experiment with it, this is so cute. Like this is a legit wax kit. Wow. I'm excited. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. It has the stuff right here. Yeah, I got 2 more minutes left on this card, y'all. So lavender oil, the wax lavender oil. I look a hot mess, y'all. It's still morning. I haven't even got myself together for the day. I just came down here to straighten up and get all my boxes broken down so he can take them out. And then this is the hard wax beads. And then the actual bowl. This is so nice. Wow. This makes me want to wax. I might start out with my armpits. Yeah, we're gonna start small. I've waxed before, but it was just like my upper lip. And I used it was like a little waxing kit that you can get from the drugstore. But I haven't really like legit waxed my body. So, I mean, we'll play with it, you know. We'll play and see and, you know, see if I liked it. See if I like it. And then another thing that I just opened up was this candle, which I'm gonna go ahead and place another order. This is from Amazon. This smells delicious, you guys. It smells delicious. So, and the quality of it, like it kind of reminds me of Hearth and Hand from Target. If y'all can kind of see it. Yeah, I need to get my nails done. They look a mess. They're starting to grow out a lot and they're too long for me. So probably gonna try to get that done this week too, but yeah. But that's all I just opened up. I just wanted to quickly show y'all that. But now let me just get my day started because I look a mess. I need to freshen up, brush my teeth, wash, bathe. But I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so we got our nails done. I went to the salon earlier today. Okay, the light is so bright, but I just got regular French tips. And I got this in the mail. It's the new bronzer from NARS. It's Laguna Shade 5. I ordered it on Sephora and I got it earlier than I was expecting. And since I got it so early, I figured I'd go ahead and sit here and film a like mini review slash quick little get ready with me with you guys. So that is, it should be already up on my channel by the time you guys see this portion of the vlog. So if it is on the channel already, I will have it linked down below for you guys. But y'all, this bronzer, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, I am loving it. I'm living for it and I am here for it. So I have a big mess in front of me, y'all. Like, this desk is a hot mess. I have clothes in front of me. I have makeup brushes, bags, a mess. So we need to clean this up. And I told myself I was going to do a little more content today, like maybe take cute little, I don't know. I really don't know, because my face is done. Since my face is done, I might as well work, you know? So yeah, I'll probably, you know, do a little, probably some Instagram content or TikTok. I don't know. But the face is done. I really don't feel like filming another video. Like, I don't feel like sitting there and actually filming, even though I need to get some videos out of the way, but I really don't. I'm really not in the mood to just, you know, film today. But like little stuff like Instagram, that's easy. It's like so quick and easy and fun. So I will probably do that, but I really need to clean this mess up, because if I don't do it now, it's not gonna get done. So yeah, let's do that. All right, we are clean. This is where I was sitting. This is the lamp I was talking about in the video that I filmed, which is already up. It should be already up on my channel, but I was telling you guys that I was sitting with the lamp in front of me while I was filming. But this is just the little desk that I was sitting at, and it's all clean. So today's Sunday. Yesterday I went back to the pool with Ashley, and this time Shanine came along. I didn't even vlog, but I did make like a cute little reels on my Instagram. So if y'all want to see that, check it out. And by the way, you guys, we hit 100K on Instagram today, which is wild. Just looking at it, it's like so crazy to me. But yay, we hit 100K. Ah, yes. Okay, I'm so annoying. Follow me on there if you're not following me. I will have it either pop up on the screen or somewhere down in the description, but it's the same username all across the board, which is Andrea Renee 00. I just filmed a little ASMR unboxing, which I'm probably gonna upload this week sometime on my Instagram, like a little reels. But I unboxed a couple more stuff, a couple more things that I got in the mail that I ordered. So yeah, right now I am looking at all the mess that's on the floor right now. And I gotta clean it up. But no plans today, just to chill and get a little work done on the computer, but that's about it. I did wash my wig this morning because it got wet last night at the pool. First I wasn't even gonna get in the pool, and then everybody cleared out. Like, it was actually a crowd there at the pool, so everybody left. It was just me, Ashley, Shanine, and a couple more other people that were there. And I figured I'd go ahead and just, you know, do a little dip in the pool, and my hair got wet. So I washed my wig. Now it's air drying. But other than that, I really didn't do anything like exciting this week that was worth pulling out the camera. So anyway, I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog. It was kind of short, but that's okay. That is okay. Okay, so hope you guys had a good week, a good weekend. But yeah, girl, hope y'all enjoyed just seeing little snippets of what I did for the let's see, last week and a little before the week after last, the week before last. So yeah, just little snippets here and there of what I did. But I will talk to you guys later. I will see y'all this week. You guys know I still upload on Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays, which Sundays are the vlogs. But I will see you guys on Wednesday. And I think I have another testing a new product video I want to try out because I got some more new products in the mail. So be on the lookout for that. Just some, you know, cute little fun videos that are coming up on the channel. But anyway, I'm just sitting here rambling. I need to clean up this mess that I have on the floor. And I also need to edit this vlog, just edit this piece into the vlog. And yeah, I'm gonna get up and go in the living room and just chill for the rest of the day. But that is all that I have for this weekly or today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out. Thank you for hanging out. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, you guys, because we are growing on Instagram finally. It's been a while, so follow me on Instagram too, because I am really active on there. And yeah, that is it. That is all I have to say. I will see you guys on Wednesday.